Hello, this is Doug Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Today we're going to be looking at turned with a bull procedures within PCDART. To get started, we need to know that our cows have been turned in with a bull. We're going to go to the input desk. We're going to choose turned with bull as an input procedure. We're going to choose cow number 3606. We're also going to choose cow number 4368. We're going to apply those individually. We're going to put in the herd bull. His name is Sammy. Today was the day we turned those cows in with a bull. And I know the sire's not in the bull file, but that's fine. That's just a warning. Warnings do not stop us from doing anything. I'm all done putting those animals in with a bull. Once we have that information within PCDART, we want to be able to bring that information back out so that we can preg check for those animals that have been turned in with a bull. So we're going to go ahead, go to our report functions. We're going to create a new report. We're going to call this Turn with Bull Preg Checks. The information I want to have listed on my report would be database item number 4 for group number, 50 for index number, 366 for date turned in with a bull, 277 for number of days turned in with a bull, 376 which would be currently with a bull, that's yes or no. I'm going to use dividing line. I'm going to list my repro code, and I'm going to list a reason on the report because I want to be able to generate a list of cows to preg check for those cows that have been turned in with a bull. I'm going to say 277. We're going to start at 40 days and go to 300. That is turned in with a bull. Number 5, which is repro code. We're going to say not S, which is an estimated bred date. 684 is a reason on the report. That will be first preg check. I also want to be able to look at cows that are a little bit farther along and maybe they haven't been caught yet, but we just want to make sure that we get all the cows that are turned in with a bull pregnant and looked at. So we're going to say 277 as days turned in with a bull. We're going to do 80 to 300. Our repro code again is going to be NOTS for estimated bred date. That's 684. The reason on the report is a recheck preg to see if they're actually rechecked pregnant or not. Or we're going to put one more piece of item in here, that's days until due to calve. We're going to do 60 to 90 because now we're looking at our dry off preg check. Repro code is going to be S to S. We just want to be looking at those animals that have been estimated bred date. 684 would be reason on the report, and that is a dry off. I want to be able to add on my list of items to see days until due to calves, since we had put that in our filters. Even though we can filter by things that are not on our list, I just want to know my days until due to calve. I'm going to save that report. For me, it's going to be report number 77. Once I go find that user report, which is going to be number 77, I can choose my group number. So I want to look at just that pen number those cows are in and that the bull is running with. That's how I would generate my list of cows to preg check. Once I get those cows entered into PCDART program as estimated bred date, I want to be able to do some analysis work on what's going on with those bull bred cows. First place I'm going to go would be my standard reports. First of all, report number 126, which is my preg rate summary. In the constraints, I want to be looking at just my AI bred because I want to exclude my bull bred cows. I could have chosen both AI and bull breedings, but I'm going to use just the AI bred so I know my preg rate just for the AI cows, and that's really important for the guys that are doing the breeding. Also in my setup, I can look at lactations, either cows, or I can look at heifers. I can be using the 126 preg rate summary to look at just the AI bred cows, because those bull bred cows are listed in another grouping within the PCDART database. Another place I can go to take a look at bull breedings or non-bull breedings, I can go into my trackers. I can choose conception tracker. Here I can look at cows or heifers. I can go into my breeding filters. I can take a look at excluding estimated breedings or include estimated breedings, or just say only estimated breedings. I can take a look at how my herd is doing conception rate for both AI and or for bull bred herds. This is Brook at NorthStar DHI Services. Thank you.